I'm Aiman, and welcome back to one of my auto repair videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the rear view mirror on a 2003 to 2007 Honda Accord. Now, I guess for any Accord really, this would work. So the way you do it is, it's actually just a twist to get it off. So grab on and twist it. So on some cars, let me put that back. On some cars, you might have to insert a screwdriver into the back in order to twist it, but in this one it should be easy. Just do arm strength, and then you should be able to take it off. Alright, so the way a mechanism works is that if you look at this sort of protrusion, it's ovular shaped. So on one side it's thinner, and on the other side it's wider. So when you put it on, the thin part can go in, but when you twist it on, the wide part cannot escape. So wait, let me put it on. So as you can see, the wide part can't go down, but when you twist it, it can go off. Now, this twist, the way to take it off, is probably found in all Honda models, but in other car models like Toyota, you might have to use the screwdriver to push something up, or like push a clamp or a clasp or a fastener in order to just slide it off. And that's in some other cars. For the Honda, it does a twist. So as for its holder, it's actually attached using glue. So what you want to do to take that off is take a heat gun and just heat it around, and then just try to take it off. Now during the winter, you shouldn't do this because the glass is probably going to be brittle. It's going to cause it to crack. So you probably don't want to do it when it's winter. So I don't have a heat gun right now, but that's how you do it. You know, some people might look at this video and they might think it's unnecessary. They might see how you do it and they're like, oh, duh. But, you know, you might not know how to take it off. Originally, first, my dad asked me, how do you take this off? And I was like, does it go on like suction? And he was like, no. And then he showed me how to do it and I was like, oh. But, like, imagine you work on some other cars and they have a different mechanism. And then you work on Hondas and they have a twist mechanism, and you didn't know that. Well, that video is for you. This video is for you then, to find out. But my dad has done a lot of work on cars, and he's seen all different sorts of mechanisms for taking off the mirror. And you know, suction might have been a dumb idea after all. But I'm Aiman, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and get my videos on EYeOnAiman, especially the auto repair videos and taking apart this car video. And I'll see you next time. It's actually getting pretty dark, so signing out. Peace.